So what I'm calling this drink, I'm calling this a Sparkling Perrier Kumquat Refreshing Drink.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio.
Well, I just came back from walking the dogs and I'm really tired and I need a drink that will really give me kind of start my day off.
Ingredients: 1. Perrier Sparkling Water or other brands. 2. 1 medium banana, 72 ounces. 3. 1 medium apple, 1.48 ounces. 4. Juice from the Instant Pot liner, the Kumquat Brussels sprout dinner water. 5. Blender. 6. Glass of crushed ice.
Now you don't have to use Perrier sparkling water, but any sparkling water will do. I'm using Perrier because that was the deal at our grocery market. I'm using one banana that's 1.72 ounces. All this will be in the comments section. I'm using an apple with the core, and the apple is 1.48 ounces. You see I have a digital scale, and that's how you double check it. Now this is a medium banana. This is a medium apple, but you can use any size, doesn't make any difference. This liquid here, I'm calling it a Kumquat Potato Brussels Sprouts Water. This is what was left in the Instapot after I cooked the meal, the Kumquat Potato Brussels dinner, and I tasted it and it just tastes magnificent. It doesn't have any debris in, it doesn't have any of the skins in, it's just clear. So this is how we're gonna do this.
Let's get started.
We're going to use a normal blender. The liquid is about 500 milliliters or, well, 16 ounces. So it goes in first. You see how clear and beautiful looking it is. The next step is to put the banana in. That's just going to add additional flavor. It will thicken up the drink. It doesn't really need to be chopped down. Just breaking it down to make it easier. Floating banana. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to...
Apple core.
Okay, the next step is to core the apple. I'm using this apple core. See how easy that is? Now you're going to put everything in here, but you're not going to put the core in. And watch out, these blades are sharp. Sometimes you have to use an instrument to kind of poke it out. I usually use a knife. I washed the apple before I did this. Okay, now you don't want to put this in because of the seeds. Okay, we're just going to drop this into our solution. Yes, I'm putting the skins in too. If you don't like the skins, peel your apple. Okay, the last step is to put in the Perrier. But before we do that, we're going to blend this in. Now I want you to realize the actual time of blending is not going to be on the video because that would be ridiculous for you guys to watch all the blending time. And you can see it's a beautiful luscious color of the apples. So that's what we're doing, is we're going to add a little Perrier to it. And that's just going to give it a little bit of a fizz. If you don't like the apple skins, like I told you, don't use them. Now watch what it looks like in a glass. Now I'm going to put this over crushed ice. So I got myself some crushed ice. I'm going to pour my drink. And we're going to mix this in real quick. And I'm going to taste it. Oh, and it's got a very nice taste to it. A little bit different because of the Kumquat Potato Brussels Sprout Water, but I think you'll enjoy it. And this is a way for you to use all your products. You don't have to throw away any of the water. You can make drinks out of it.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.